President Emmerson Mnangagwa's spokesperson Joe Charamba has issued a chilling warning to the country's most popular opposition leader, Nelson Chamisa, threatening aggressive state action if he fails to distance himself from what the ruling party claims is a neo-colonial agenda. Sanapita mashukana kuti panguva inoi aiwa Nelson Chamisa okandirwa ma-threats anokumana vestate kuti vasubscribe like what on the bell like kuti imira pano pamuna mumwe wamuchinzi Charamba, who interchangeably uses the username Janzamsoro007 on X, on Tuesday accused Chamisa of being a pawn of Western powers and implied that opposition leaders' silence on the alleged Back to Rhodesia campaign by his supporters signifies complicity. Charamba's post read, he needs to pronounce himself on this Back to Rhodesia campaign, which is being run by his well-known acolytes. In the absence of his public disavowal of the shabby campaign by his renegades, we paste it on him and go for him full throttle. Certain recidivist politics are a no. ndomasvika mudanyuka panapa naCharamba nokuti vanhu vanoitwa vanyora vachiti analyzing this statement is a direct challenge to Chamisa, demanding public rejection of the alleged campaign or face intensified political persecution. The accusations of promoting a Back to Rhodesia agenda are a clear attempt by ZANU-PF to portray Chamisa as a symbol of neo-colonialism, a narrative designed to tarnish his nationalist credentials and alienate voters. Ndo mashoko anomuranyuka panapa tiona kuti awa Nelson Chamisa owatakiwa panapa naCharamba awa tiona kuti vakomana ava mashoko avari vachitaura anyazothreatena. This is public rejection that we can Nelson Chamisa in the community. Today mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi pinda comment section medu kuti mafunguro enyu musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.